Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Mysore location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss in detail one by one, and this information purely collected from newspapers. Please like our videos to encourage us to do more videos for Mysore locations. We will be providing more job information.
Attention please, do not pay money for any kind of job.
Firstly, there is a job openings for Thyra Business Solutions. They are looking for USA process for digital marketing manager position and telecaller positions. For digital marketing manager, minimum 5 years of experience is required. That should be relevant. And for telecaller position, minimum 2 years of experience is required for a call center experience. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can also contact on the given phone number, or you can also contact on the WhatsApp. Email ID is tiarabusiness@gmail.com, and contact number is 7406411666. Next, there is a job openings for St. Joseph's Nursing Institutions. They are looking for various positions like MSc and BSc nursing faculty. With the MSc qualification, mental health nursing, one vacancy position is there, and BSc nursing basic, 4 vacancies are available. You can contact on the given phone number for more information, or you can share your resume at the provided email ID for further details. There is also official address details available. You can check with that. Contact numbers are 8762540669 and 9902704643, and email ID is sjcollegeofnursing@gmail.com, sjcollegeofnursing@gmail.com. Next, there is a job openings for front desk manager. There is one vacancy available. Preference will be given to the students staying nearby areas. Working hours will be 5:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. and 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Viva Body and Soul, Nazirabad Main Road, Mysore 10. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9632870333. Next, there is a job vacancies for Coorg Institute of Technology. They are looking for various positions like professors, associate professors, and assistant professors in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Computer Science, and Electronics and Communication Engineering departments. All the departments, they have vacancies for professors and associate professors and assistant professors as per AICT norms, qualification and eligibility. And for system analyst, you should have MTech in CS and E, that is computer science and engineering. Experience in computer networking and maintenance is preferred. And there is also opening for training and placement officer. Qualification eligibility is as per AICT norms, and they are also looking for programmers, instructors, and assistant instructors for the departments of mechanical, civil, computer science, and electronics and communications. Diploma in respective branches is required for these positions. So you can share your detailed curriculum vitae, that is CV, copies and testimonials and recent passport size photograph to the President, Kodavai Educational Society, and at the above address. So this is the address. You have to share your resume along with everything like detailed information, testimonials, and your certificates. You have to share within 10 days from the date of its advertisement. The advertisement is posted in 20th one, so you have to it has to reach by January 30 with along with your everything requirements. Salary will be not a constraint for a faculty with good academic records and experience. So this is also a note given. And you can contact on the given phone numbers if you have any queries or questions. Contact numbers are 9611173724 and 9611155457. There is also official email ID available, info@citcorg.edu.in. Next, there is job openings for graphic designer, web designer, and digital marketing executive, application developer, sales executive, office assistant, and cook, and assistant cook and helper for creative pool organization. They are looking. You can share your resume at the provided email ID hr@kreativepol.in. You can also contact on the given phone number for further details. Contact number is 9141835175. Next, there is a job openings for a furniture showroom. They are looking for sales executive positions. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can also contact on the given phone number for further information. Email ID is slvfurnitures2011@gmail.com. slvfurnitures2011@gmail.com. Contact number is 7676589998. Next, there is a job openings for senior manager EXIM documentation, and you should have experience of 3 years, and CTC offered up to 4 lakhs per annum. The package can be revised depending upon your capabilities and performance. Both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role. You can share your resume at the provided email ID along with your latest photograph and last package drawn. Email ID is exim.mysore@gmail.com. Next, there is a job vacancies for Viceroy Comforts Hotel. They are looking for various positions like front office manager, front office receptionist, front office sales assistant. Applicants should be like both male and female candidates are eligible, should have a previous experience. You can contact along with your passport size photo and other experience details to the provided address. You can also contact on the given phone number for further information, or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. Contact number is 984506338 and email ID is viceroycomforts@rpsshotels.com. Next, there is a job openings for front office executive, for housekeeping executives also. They are looking, and for a hotel Lok Sagar. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 733839899. You can also share your resume at the provided email ID. Next, there is a job openings for system administrator. Minimum 3 years of experience is required. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7625081001. Next, there is a job openings for Aditya Adhikari Hospital. They are looking for doctor position and staff nurse positions. For doctor position, qualification is MBBS, and staff nurse should be GNM or BSc. You can contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Contact numbers are 9886757299 and 9900451766. Next, there is a job vacancies for sales executive position for a consumer durable for ABM Incorporation. Good remuneration according to experience and incentives and conveyance will be offered. You can contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Contact numbers are 9844615814 and 9620096361. There is also an email ID available. You can check with that. Next, there is a job vacancies for front office executive. Only female candidates eligible for the job role. Job location will be Vijayanagar, second stage. You can share your resume at the provided WhatsApp numbers for further details. They are 9900228811 and 9901993777. Next, there is a job openings for bridal makeover. Should you have a good experience, specialization in bridal makeover, and they are also looking for beauticians. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 96634 Next, there is a job openings for front office executives and room executives for a reputed hotel. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 0821428092 and 082142444990. I just wanted to describe this image. You should have an idea about what kind of career you are choosing, what the kind of field you wanted to enter, what type of industry you wanted to enter. Should have a clear idea so that you can get a proper planning and you can get an idea how to crack that particular field interviews or anything you wanted to prepare. So you should have a clear idea. It is very important first step to achieve in a career. And then if you got an idea what type of field, what type of technology, what type of company or industry you wanted to enter, then you can start a planning how to enter it. You have to plan it properly, either joining the institute or learning some courses online, whatever, up to whatever flexibility you have to plan according to achieve that a particular goal, whatever you have put to enter into an industry or to get a job in a particular field. So you have to plan properly, and you should set a strategy. How many months, how many days? We can't sit idle for days. Days will pass, months will pass, years also will pass. So we can't stick to a we can't wait idle. We can't sit idle for many days, right? So we have to put a strategy. How many days? Within how many days I have to crack that? Within how many months I should complete this, and I should get a particular. I should get into a particular field or particular job. So this is the strategy you should have in your mind. Then finally you will get a success automatically. So please be aware of your career, guys. You should have clear idea, plan it, and have a clear strategy. It will lead to success. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Mysore location with part 2. Please subscribe and press the bell icon if you are not subscribed. Please like our videos and encourage us to do more videos, and share our videos with your friends and family members who are in need of job. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day.